This question is learnt only in the O-level year. It's on the topic of Venn diagrams. So let's discuss. Should the region A prime intersect with A union B holding prime? N means intersect. Okay, and if you see a U, it means union. Okay, so N here means intersect, means you need to find the area that is overlapping between the two regions. Union, U means united. United means you join the parts together. So the first thing we ask ourselves is, where in the world is A union B holding prime? Okay, so this box here, where is it? A union B is basically this part here. Right? A joined with B, but I want the prime. When you see a apostrophe here, it means that you want everything outside of these two circles. Okay, so basically you are interested, okay, for this red box, you are interested in outside the two circles. Okay, so, but that's not the end, because I need A prime to intersect with this part. A prime is everything that is outside of A. So let me underline in blue. So everything outside of A is basically here. Okay, outside of A, this part also. And guys, I want this A prime to intersect with A union B prime. So where does the red and the blue cross over each other? They cross over actually exactly only outside the two circles. Alright, so this part here should be your final shading, which I'm going to give in black. Anywhere where the red and blue overlaps will be your final shading for this particular Venn diagram question.